Hi everyone, it is so good to see you back on the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. I just saw some news that makes me so proud of our local tech community. Oh, I'm serious. A young Pakistani developer just reportedly became a billionaire after a massive exit involving AI tools like Cursor. As an IT professional here in Pakistan, this is the billion-year moment we've been waiting for. It proves that with the right logic and tools like Cursor AI, we aren't just consumers, we are creators on a global scale. But it's not just software. Look at Huawei. Huawei's new AI-integrated hardware is pushing a new pose for the industry. They are building AI directly into the silicon to compete with the biggest players. In 2026, the gap between coding and hardware is disappearing. We are entering a new era where a boy from Pakistan can change the world using nothing but an AI-powered editor and a laptop. So, do you think Pakistan will become the next global hub for AI development? Or is this just the beginning of a larger shift? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If you want to stay synced with the future of Pakistani tech, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.